Hi
Today we're
guys.
gonna play with Cyberrock J.
Today,
Hello.
Rakshit, there's a wolf. There's a wolf. There's a wolf.
Wolf.
There's a wolfie here.
But we don't have bone.
Yes.
Where is this? Oh, it's a cute wolf.
Okay, let's collect some wood. I think so. It's becoming night time.
Where are my materials?
It's in your inventory. Check.
It's not there in my inventory.
Oh, I by mistakenly got birch wood. Is that okay? Oh no, it's becoming night. Rakshit, can you move?
I'll collect wood.
Okay,
Because I only don't have wood on.
Okay, you
collect another tree.
You collect oak wood. I'll collect birch wood.
Why?
Because we'll use birch wood for crafting and oak wood for building. Is that okay?
It's night time. I cannot see. Can you put some torches?
I have only 2 torches. Wait 1 second. Where should I keep it? Can you tell?
Keep it in the center.
1 second. Where are you? I'm not able to see you as well.
Can you see my name tag?
No. Ah, yes. Come back here.
Came.
Here, middle.
Yes.
Okay. Is that okay?
Now I can see, but the tree is way over here. Oh, here only. Let me collect.
Should I keep one more here?
No need. I can see.
Actually, we have to do it fast, Rakshit, because...
Yes, I know.
Rakshit, should I get that one sheep?
Hey, who is hitting me?
Check. Is that a zombie or a spider?
Zombie, help me. I don't even have a sword.
Yes, I'm coming.
Hey.
Arey.
He's hitting me. I will die. Hey, creeper.
Arey, was blown up by a creeper. Is your inventory there?
I am there. My inventory is also fine.
Okay, come.
You used to keep inventory, huh?
Yes.
Do you have 3 wolves so that we can sleep?
Rakshit, actually I saw a sheep there at the back. Rakshit, there's a zombie. Ouch, it's hitting me. Because of these tree leaves, I am not able to get out only. Rakshit, you are wasting the wood.
I know. What should I do? I don't even have a sword.
Then use a pickaxe.
I don't even have my pickaxe.
Why? I gave you a pickaxe.
It's not there. Check your inventory.
I also don't have the pickaxe.
That means it's lost. Very nice.
Rakshit, when the bonus chest was there, you only took it, Rakshit.
I don't have it.
Okay, leave it.
What just exploded here?
Actually, there was a creeper. You forgot.
I was doing my thing.
Okay.
Make a sword. Do you want another sword?
Yes.
Okay. One axe. Done. Take a sword.
1 second. I am chopping down wood.
See, I kept it.
Okay.
Otherwise it will despawn. Come on.
Where?
Here, in front of this crafting
Oh, yes.
table.
Did I get it? Oh, yes, I got it. Instead of sticks, I'll keep, yes. Oh, actually, my axe is breaking. Do you have some wood?
Yes. I have to. Take this.
1 second.
Take
Where did you throw it?
I'm throwing it every time. Throw. Take.
Oh, thank you. Is that your axe?
I have my axe.
Okay, thanks.
Let's make pickaxe. Very nice.
You have a pickaxe, Rakshit? Can you? Oh, sorry.
Hey, who is hitting me?
Sorry. I was using the crafting table. I have to make more.
I have almost. Hey, zombie!
I'm coming. Ouch! And one zombie is hitting me too. I'm fighting it.
I killed a small zombie.
Arey, why is this tree here? Not able to get up.
Level 1 XP. We have to wait until the moon goes down.
I have level 2 XP.
Let's collect some wood and create a small house here.
Okay, come. Rakshit, I can see a spider in a distance. So we should be careful.
I cannot see the spider. It's dark.
Okay,
Can you place one torch here?
1 second. But we have only one torch.
Oh, use it.
Oh, my. Where?
Can you see my name tag?
Yeah, I am behind you only.
Place. Now it's nice. Let's collect some wood and create a small house so that the zombie will not attack. Remember to use only oak wood, not birds.
No, birch I will use for crafting.
Tools.
Rakshit, how many oak wood do you have?
13.
13, okay. Actually, you can make almost a stack. I have 11.
I have 59. We can create a house.
I have 46.
So we have 1.5 stack.
Oh, I have 54 actually. Sorry, 54.
54, 59 means 2 stacks. Give me the wood.
1 second. Here, front of you.
Yes. Not almost 2 stacks, but it works.
Rakshit, where would we build it?
Let's build near that. Bring the torch. Place it over here.
Rakshit, 1 second.
Nice. See my name tag and come.
Yes, I'm coming. We don't have that mod which enables, if you catch the torch, it will enable to.
Yes, but it's a texture pack, not a mod.
Oh, okay, something. Rakshit,
Okay. How we should build it? 3x3?
Rakshit, there's a witch. Move. That's it. There's a witch. Oh no, it almost saw us. Oh no, there are 2 witches, Rakshit. Are you able to see?
Yes, I saw one. Where's the second?
Behind that hill. It's climbing the hill. Rakshit, it's going to see you. Oh, I forgot to bring the crafting table.
I brought it.
Oh, you brought it. I didn't saw.
Let's make a 3x3 very quickly.
Okay. Rakshit. Come back. Oh, it almost saw you. Come, build it. It almost saw it.
Here, 3x3.
Oh. Rakshit, you make a door. I made a button.
Why you will make button?
Oh, Rakshit, there's a spider.
Out.
Rakshit, come back to me.
He's killing me. Help me.
If you come to me, I can help. If you run around, how can I help? Oh, it saw me. Oh, I killed it.
Now we have 2 strings. We could make a fishing pole.
No, we should make a bow, Rakshit.
Bow requires 3.
No problem, we can get another. Rakshit, 1 second.
Get up.
Can you give me some wood? Oh no, I have 21 birch wood.
Wait, I'll give you a door. Take the door.
1 second. I have a stack and a half of birch wood.
We will use that only for tools.
Okay, no problem. 1 second. Can you move?
Place the door. Go.
1 second. Is that okay?
Okay. I need food though.
Rakshit, I have food. We should get to a furnace. Wait for some time. We'll go get some furnace.
Hey, it's always sun time.
No, sun didn't rose. It's orange still. Okay.
You can kill all the mobs. Except witches. Witches is there only.
Okay.
Where did you went to?
Rakshit, you stay there only. I'll get some cobblestone.
Come zombie. If you are there, come zombie.
Rakshit, I'll bring enough for tools and this thing also.
I was slain by a zombie. Nothing happens.
Where did you spawn again?
The same spawn point where the bonus chest was there.
Oh. I'll bring enough for making tools also. Is that okay?
It's okay for me.
There is some coal also here. I'll bring the coal also.
Only 3 by 3 height.
Actually, Rakshit, you can make the roof also, Rakshit.
Yes, I'm doing that only.
Because the spiders can climb and come.
Parkour. Arey, wait, parkour.
Rakshit, is 13 cobblestone enough or should I bring more?
Bring more. 13 is not enough.
Okay.
Hey, which saw me? Help me, I got poisoned.
Rakshit, jump in the water. Rakshit, jump in the water.
Why water?
They cannot attack you in the water. Is it working?
No, it's not working.
Oh, I thought it will work.
Help me kill him. I am almost dying.
1 second, I'm coming. I'm getting.
3 hearts, 4 hearts, 3, 2, half, 2, half, 1, half. Amma, I escaped it half heart.
Actually, there's a heap of coal here, Rakshit.
We see, because that witch is outside only.
Oh, Rakshit, I found iron.
Bring some iron also.
Wait. I found a sheep. I'll bring wool and some meat.
Where is it? I will close the door just in case.
Arey, why am I not able to attack this? Oh, yes. Rakshit, I got 3 wool and 5 meat.
Once you come and kill this witch for me?
Yes, I'm coming. Oh, yes, I saw it. I'll try to kill it, wait.
How did she poison me?
I'm poisoned. Oh, yes, I killed it. Oh, no. I'm going to die. I'm going to die. I'm half a heart. Rakshit, are you still in my home?
Yes, I'm safe because of you. Let me kill that sheep.
Rakshit, there are more 2 sheep. Check. Kill them both. We can get wool for both. For both of us.
No sheep.
Rakshit, can you kill it for me? I'm not able to run fast because of the half a heart. Oh yes, I saw another sheep. I'll kill that.
Yes, we got 2 beds. Kill that sheep.
Oh yes, I got it.
How many wool do you have?
4 wool. How much do you have?
2. Means we can make 2 beds.
Yes.
We got saved. Hey, more wool. Sheepy, come. Sheepy. Good girl, Sheepy. Sheepy will never do like this.
Oh, you are also going for that only. Okay. Rakshit,
We got escaped. But not longer. Die. Thank you.
Rakshit, I'm going into the house and making 2 beds.
Okay, I also have 1 wool.
Oh, I got 1 bed.
2 beds and we will end the video.
No, Rakshit. Wait. Rakshit, can you give me the bed? Sorry.
One bed ready for you.
Rakshit, I got a potion of healing from the witch.
Feeling, keep it safe. Don't use it. Take that bed.
1 second. Oh, you also got a bed. Okay.
I'll eat raw food.
Rakshit. One second. I got coal and this thing.
Set my point. This will be my bed.
Rakshit, take this furnace. Oh, Rakshit, move.
Ouch.
Rakshit, I've got a stone pickaxe.
Okay.
I'll go get some iron. Is that okay?
Can we end the video here?
No, 1 second. We'll get iron and we'll end the video. I got iron here.
Oh, drown is here. Ramo, who hit me with the arrow?
It's actually not a arrow, Rakshit. It's spear, and not a spear also, a trident.
Trident, we can get one trident. Where's this fellow? Oh, he's there, Ramo. He looks very scary.
I'm coming back. 1 second. Oh, ma. I thought that was a zombie or something. I'm going to die.
Quickly. We'll go to our house and end the video.
Oh, where's our house? I forgot.
Right, I will end the video here. If you want to see more videos like this, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Bye everyone.
Cool dab.